In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Monday.com boards. Backing up your workspace is essential to protect your data, stay compliant with company policies, and give yourself a quick recovery option if anything goes wrong. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to the correct Monday.com account and that you have admin permissions. The administration area we'll use is only available to admins, so if you don't see it, you may need to ask your account admin for access. It also helps to have a stable internet connection, since exports can be large. Start on your Monday.com home screen. This is your main dashboard where you can access boards, workspaces, and notifications. Confirm you're in the right account, especially if you work across multiple Monday.com environments. Move to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile avatar. Depending on your setup, this may appear as your initials or a profile photo. This opens a menu with personal settings and admin tools. From that menu, choose Administration. This will take you into the admin console, where account-wide settings live. If administration isn't visible, you likely don't have admin rights on this account. Inside the admin console, go to the Account section. You'll usually find it in the left-hand sidebar. The exact layout can vary slightly by account and updates, but look for the area that handles general account settings and housekeeping actions. In the Account area, find the Export option and click it. This is where you trigger the backup. Depending on your plan and current features, you may see options controlling what's included, such as board data and files. Exports for larger workspaces can take some time to generate. You may see a progress indicator, receive a download link, or get an email once it's ready. Keep your browser session active and don't interrupt the process if it's still preparing the file. When your export is available, download it and store it in a secure location. Give the file a clear name with today's date, so it's easy to track versions later. If your backup includes files and attachments, consider encrypting the archive or saving it to a secure access-controlled drive. It's also a good idea to quickly spot-check the contents to make sure your critical boards are included. And that's it. You've navigated from your profile menu to administration, opened the account area, and used the export option to back up your Monday.com boards. Keep your backups organized and scheduled regularly so you're